Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. Now I am drawing letter B. Now I am drawing letter C. Now I am drawing letter C. A, B, C. A is for aeroplane. A is for apple. Now I am drawing aeroplane. B is for baby. Now I am drawing baby. C is for car. Now I am drawing car.